Dito tayo sa workplace, Kuya Mark. Elaborate natin yung paano gagana itong Safe Space Act sa lahat po ng workplaces.
Workplaces, for example, in a mall. You are the supervisor in a mall. Dami kang mga tao, mga empleyado, mga tauhan na mga babae. And you are the supervisor. So ano yung mga possible na gagawin mo? Yung mga tinatawag na sexual jokes. Sexual jokes. Oy, day, parang lumalaki na yung dibdib mo. Yan, sexual jokes. That is already in violation ng Safe Space Act. That is already considered sexual harassment under Safe Space Act. Okay, sexual jokes or remarks. Mga remarks, mga side comments na may mga double meaning. Double meaning na mga side comments. Ang laki naman ang hinaharap mo. Mga ganon. Wow, cupcake. Ang laki ng cake. Mga ganon. Double meaning is already considered Safe Space Act violation. Yung mga sexual jokes, mga sexual remarks, including unwanted touching. Naghawak-hawak ka sa... kahit na ikaw empleyado, hinawak-hawakan mo yung paa ni madam, yung boss mo na babae, hinawak-hawakan mo, that's already unwanted touching. Unlike in sexual harassment, kailangan ang akusado may moral ascendancy sa biktima. But in Safe Space Act, hindi kailangan. Kahit yung ordinaryo empleyado, magsasabi, oy, ma'am, ang laki naman ang hinaharap mo. Violation na yan ng Safe Space Act. Kasi hindi kailangan na may moral ascendancy ang akusado as long as may nagbibigay ka ng sexual jokes, sexual remarks, or unwanted touching of the private parts or for sexual favor is considered violation ng Safe Space Act under the working environment.